Imagine connecting seamlessly with anyone, anywhere. Welcome to Livestorm, the ultimate virtual meeting software. It's designed for smooth, professional online meetings that enhance collaboration, whether you're working hybrid or fully remote. Livestorm stands out for several reasons. First, join meetings in less than 20 seconds. Our secure, browser-based application ensures quick access. Engage participants effectively with features like virtual whiteboards, breakout rooms, and media sharing. As a host, you'll love Livestorm's powerful admin tools. Monitor your meetings effortlessly using Livestorm's dashboard and analytics. Streamlining your online meetings increases productivity and engagement. This all-in-one platform offers exclusive promotion, engagement, and analytics features. You can send unlimited reminder emails, customize your room with file sharing, and integrate with your Google Calendar smoothly. With Livestorm's robust device versatility, attend or host meetings on any device, desktop, tablet, or mobile browser. Customize your live experience with features like simultaneous speakers, supporting discussions with up to 25 video streams. Analyze your event data with in-depth reports available in the dashboard. Effortlessly access contacts and sync data with CRM integrations, enhancing your workflow. Livestorm caters to various use cases. Improve company communication through engaging meetings, streamline employee training with reliable onboarding experiences, or wow customers with virtual product demos. Curious about pricing? Livestorm offers powerful video conferencing at simple rates. Interested in trying it out? You can start with our free plan, no credit card required. What exactly is online meeting software? It connects multiple participants via audio and video over the internet. Essential features include screen sharing, custom branding, and analytics, key for running professional meetings. Why choose Livestorm? It has everything you need: custom branding, CRM integration, and comprehensive analytics, all backed by a 4.75 satisfaction rating on G2. Don't miss out. Explore Livestorm today and experience engaging webinars and meetings in just 3 minutes. Sign up for free, no software download needed. Transform your virtual meetings and enhance your collaboration.